What's up, guys? The Galaxy S23 Ultra is still an absolute beast in 2026, but if you really want to unlock its full potential, you need the right gear. From 45-watt power banks that fit in your pocket to the ultimate desk setup that turns this phone into a literal laptop, I've tested dozens of products to find the best of the best. Today, we're breaking down the top 15 must-have accessories you need for your S23 Ultra this year. Let's dive in. On number 15 is JAME for soft bumper case for Galaxy S23 Ultra. The JAME case is a dual-layer military-grade shell designed to protect the S23 Ultra from heavy impacts and drops. It features a 360-degree rotating metal ring that functions as a secure finger grip and a sturdy landscape kickstand. In real-world use, the ring provides excellent stability for one-handed tasks, though it prevents the use of wireless chargers. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, the JAME offers a more versatile grip but lacks the Spigen's wireless charging compatibility. This case is ideal for active users who prioritize a secure hold and rugged durability over a slim, wireless-ready profile. On number 14 is SPIDERCASE Magnetic for S23 Ultra Case. The SPIDERCASE Magnetic is a sleek, clear shell designed to highlight the S23 Ultra's design while offering 12FT military-grade drop protection and full MagSafe compatibility. It features an invisible stand made of aerospace-grade aluminum that folds completely flat, supporting 3 versatile viewing angles for hands-free calls or media consumption. In real-life scenarios, the impact-dispersing airbag corners provide excellent security, though the powerful magnetic ring can occasionally cause minor sensitivity issues with the S Pen. Compared to the ESR Classic Hybrid, the SPIDERCASE offers a more flush-mounted stand that won't snag on pockets, providing a more streamlined feel without sacrificing stand functionality. I recommend this for content creators and professionals who want a protective, clear case that adds modern magnetic convenience and a sturdy, multi-angle kickstand. On number 13 is TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof for S23 Ultra Case. The TORRAS Magnetic Guardian is a premium hybrid case designed to add MagSafe compatibility and high-end protection to the Galaxy S23 Ultra without excessive bulk. It features a Halbach array magnetic ring for a secure attachment to accessories and X-Shock 3.0 airbags that provide 4x military-grade drop protection. In real-life scenarios, the translucent matte back prevents fingerprints and scratches, though using magnetic accessories can occasionally interfere with the S Pen's precision. Compared to the Spigen Mag Armor, the TORRAS model offers a more premium, translucent design and stronger magnetic force, along with customizable, interchangeable colored buttons. I recommend this case for tech enthusiasts who want a slim, protective shell that enables the use of magnetic chargers and wallets while maintaining a tactical, modern look. On number 12 is UniqueMe Screen Protector for S23 Ultra. The UniqueMe kit is an all-in-one protection suite featuring flexible TPU screen films and tempered glass lens protectors designed specifically for the S23 Ultra's 6.8-inch display. It utilizes advanced self-healing technology that repairs minor surface scratches within 24 hours, ensuring the screen stays pristine despite the wear and tear of daily use. In real-life scenarios, the included installation frame ensures a perfect, bubble-free alignment that maintains 100% responsiveness for the S Pen and the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Compared to the IMBZBK TPU protector, UniqueMe offers a more precise installation guide and camera lens covers that are specifically engineered to prevent lens flare during low-light photography. I recommend this kit for users who want edge-to-edge scratch protection and high-definition clarity without the bulk or complex application associated with liquid adhesive tempered glass. On number 11 is ESR for S23 Ultra Camera. Lens Protector. The ESR Lens Protector Kit provides a rugged defense for each of the 5 individual camera lenses using 9H tempered glass encased in a premium aluminum alloy ring. It is designed to maintain HD clarity for your 200-megapixel photos while adding a specialized oleophobic coating that makes it much easier to wipe away fingerprints and smudges. In real-life scenarios, the individual ring design is highly case-friendly and blends seamlessly with the phone's aesthetics, though it can occasionally cause slight lens flare in harsh lighting. Compared to the Spigen Optic Pro, the ESR protectors offer a lower profile and a more precise alignment frame that allows for a simultaneous, bubble-free application of all 5 covers. I recommend this for photography enthusiasts and those in demanding environments who want to prevent expensive lens damage without sacrificing the high-quality output of their device. On number 10 is Vilive 25W Superfast Charger Type-C. The Vilive 25W charger is an optimized power solution designed to deliver superfast charging for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, reaching a 60% charge in approximately 30 minutes. The standout feature of this bundle is the pair of 10-foot USB-C cables, which provide significant mobility and comfort while charging from a distance. In real-life scenarios, the charger maintains a cool operating temperature and triggers the native fast-charging software on Samsung devices without error. Compared to the official Samsung 25W adapter, this 2-pack kit offers much better value by providing 2 bricks and significantly longer reinforced cables for a lower total price. I recommend this for users who need a reliable, budget-friendly secondary charging setup and anyone who finds standard 3-foot cables too restrictive for daily use. On number 9 is zutspzss 300W 10-in-1 wireless charging station. The zutspzss is a massive 300W power hub designed to charge up to 10 devices simultaneously, serving as a central nerve center for your entire Samsung ecosystem. It features a dedicated 3-in-1 wireless stand for Galaxy phones, watches, and buds, complemented by dual 65W USB-C ports capable of powering high-end laptops. In real-life scenarios, the GAN3 technology keeps the unit cool during heavy loads, effectively replacing a messy tangle of wall adapters with a single organized tower. Compared to the Anker 637, this station provides significantly more wattage and native support for the Galaxy Watch Ultra, though it has a much larger, more industrial footprint. I recommend this for tech-heavy professionals and families with multiple devices who need a high-capacity, all-in-one charging solution to declutter their workspace. On number 8 is INIU Ultra Slim 45W Power Bank Battery Pack. The INIU 45W is a high-speed, travel-friendly power bank designed to provide 45W power delivery in a form factor 25% smaller than traditional 10,000 nanoamp 8 packs. It features an innovative integrated USB-C lanyard cable, which eliminates the need to carry extra wires while doubling as a convenient carrying strap for commuters. In real-life scenarios, the 45W output successfully triggers Super Fast Charging 2.0 on the Samsung S25 Ultra, providing a 70% charge in roughly 30 minutes. Compared to the Anker Nano 30W, the INIU offers significantly faster charging speeds and enough power to support emergency charging for laptops, though it can run warm during high-load use. I highly recommend this for travelers and power users who need a compact, all-in-one charging solution that fits easily into a pocket or small bag without sacrificing performance. On number 7 is iWALK Small USB-C Portable Charger. The iWALK Small USB-C is a lipstick-style 4500 mAh power bank designed for ultra-portable emergency charging without the need for extra cables. It features a built-in USB-C connector with a 20W PD output, allowing it to charge devices like the Galaxy S25 or iPhone 17 from 0% to 50% in roughly 30 minutes. In real-world use, its lightweight design is ideal for one-handed phone operation, though its capacity typically only provides one full charge for standard-size smartphones. Compared to the Anker Nano, the iWALK offers a more streamlined plug-and-go experience, whereas the Anker provides a slightly higher 5,000 mAh capacity in a foldable design. I recommend this for casual users and commuters who want a stylish, cord-free power boost that fits easily into a pocket or small clutch for daily top-ups. On number 6 is NEWDERY battery case for Galaxy S23 Ultra. The NEWDERY battery case is a high-capacity power solution designed to more than double the S23 Ultra's battery life for extreme endurance. It features Qi wireless charging, 18W fast charging, and full data sync support, allowing you to use Android Auto without removing the case. In real-life scenarios, it provides roughly 150% extra power, though it significantly increases the phone's weight and bulk for daily carry. Compared to the Zero Lemon 5000 mAh, NEWDERY offers a sleeker one-piece design and more reliable wireless charging compatibility for a smoother user experience. I recommend this for field professionals and long-distance travelers who prioritize multi-day battery life over a slim or lightweight phone profile. On number 5 is LISEN for MagSafe car mount. The LISEN car mount is a rugged magnetic holder designed to secure the latest heavy flagship phones like the iPhone 17 and S25 Ultra using 24 high-powered N52 magnets. It features a durable zinc alloy body and an ultra-stable hook that locks into air vents with a 3-point support system to prevent slipping on bumpy roads. In real-life scenarios, it provides a vibration-free GPS view and allows for easy, one-handed 360-degree rotation between portrait and landscape modes. Compared to the Belkin MagSafe vent mount, the LISEN offers a much more secure mechanical hook and stronger magnetic force for a more reliable hold in heavy traffic. I recommend this for commuters and professional drivers who need a rock-solid, non-charging mount that can withstand off-road terrain and constant daily use. On number 4 is andobil upgraded for MagSafe Car Mount Pro. The Andobil Pro is a high-end magnetic mount designed to stabilize heavy flagships like the iPhone 17 Pro Max using 23 powerful N55 magnets. It features a heat-resistant carbon fiber back and a PTFE double locking clip that ensures the mount stays firmly attached to your air vent without sagging. In real-life scenarios, its wide mounting surface provides a rock-solid grip on ultra-sized phones, even during aggressive off-road driving or sharp turns. Compared to the LISEN MagSafe mount, the Andobil offers a stronger magnetic grade, N55, and better cable management, though it occupies more space on the dashboard. I recommend this for professional drivers and owners of large-screen devices who want a premium, vibration-free mounting solution with a high-tech aesthetic. On number 3 is Quad Lock Bike Mount for S23 Ultra. The Quad Lock Stem Cap Kit is a professional-grade mounting system designed to lock your S23 Ultra directly onto your bike's headset for a secure aerodynamic cockpit. It features a patented dual-stage mechanical lock combined with the slim mag case, ensuring the phone stays attached during aggressive gravel or downhill rides. In real-life scenarios, the CNC machined aluminum build provides a factory-installed feel, though the centered position can sometimes lead to screen glare or sweat buildup. Compared to the SP Connect Stem mount, Quad Lock offers a more robust 4-point locking system that is easier to engage in tight spaces than SP Connect's 90-degree twist. I highly recommend this for serious cyclists who need maximum security for their expensive flagship and want to declutter their handlebars without sacrificing stability. On number 2 is Nvollnoe for S23 Ultra case with card holder. The Nvollnoe case is a dual-layer protective shell designed to replace your wallet by featuring a hidden sliding compartment that securely holds up to 2 cards. It is built with a shock-absorbing TPU interior and a hard polycarbonate exterior, providing heavy-duty defense against drops while maintaining a relatively slim profile. In real-life scenarios, the sliding door mechanism is tactile and secure, though the case's thickness for card storage generally prevents it from working with wireless chargers. Compared to the Spigen Slim Armor CS, the Nvollnoe offers a more rugged, high-grip texture and a slightly deeper card slot, whereas the Spigen has a smoother, more minimalist finish. I recommend this case for commuters and minimalists who want to simplify their daily carry and prioritize rugged protection over wireless charging convenience. On number 1 is Ghostek Wallet S23 Ultra case. The Ghostek XSEC is a modular, tactical case featuring a detachable magnetic leather wallet that holds up to 3 cards while providing 12-foot military-grade drop protection. Its unique R7X shockproof design uses high-powered magnets to secure the wallet, allowing for easy removal when you need to use wireless chargers or magnetic car mounts. In real-life scenarios, the case offers a premium, non-slip grip and elevated bezels that protect the camera lenses, though the total package is thicker than a standard slim case. Compared to the Spigen Slim Armor CS, the Ghostek provides much greater versatility because its wallet is removable, whereas the Spigen has a permanent, non-detachable slot. I recommend this for users who want an adaptable, all-in-one solution that combines high-end security with the freedom to switch between wallet and wireless charging modes. So, those are my top 15 picks for the S23 Ultra in 2026. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants to keep their screen from cracking, there's something on this list for you. I've dropped the links to everything we covered in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Galaxy deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.